today I'll be talking about nutrition. I'll share about what is nutrition and how food is used. So there's a book from Dr. Maureen Tapp mentioned that we should always be healthy and happy. Each week, multitudes of sick folks are prayed for in church prayer meetings. At all ages, people die from sickness and disease. And yet we rarely associate these evils of life with our regular diets, with what we eat each day. We tend to think of disease as the result of either contagion, as with influenza, or hepatitis, as with cancer, diabetes, or arthritis. We tend to look forward old age with a dread of ages and pains that are supposed to accompany old age. We never stop and consider the fact that all disease except that which result from accidents such as gangrene has a direct relation to what does or does not enter the body. So food is what is eaten. Nutrition relates to how the body uses food, and there should be two qualifications for selecting any food. It should taste good and it should be nutritious. If a person isn't eating foods to meet the body's needs, he may be suffering from poor nutrition. Some of the damage caused by severe malnutrition may be irreversible. What a person eats can affect the length and quality of his life. Nutrition is the study of the nutrients in foods and their digestive process in the body. Good nutrition promotes normal growth and development in children and helps maintain physical well-being in adults. Proper nutrition supplies the body with foods containing essential nutrients in the amounts needed. The body in turn puts those nutrients to work. So nutrition is foundational to good health. And food is basic to life. It is the source of health and well-being. It gives energy needed for everyday living. Food affects your weight and height, and it even affects your strength. The cafeteria manager of Halleck High School in San Diego County, California, instituted a school lunch program that proved what good nutrition can do to improve athletic skill, academic achievement, reading habits, and relationships. Her approach was to exclude sugar foods from the school menu. For dessert, students were given a choice of a frozen orange juice, bar, gelations, or fresh fruits. And supplements were used liberally in the preparation of the food, including wheat germ, bone meal, soy flour, and rice polish. Valuable nutrients were contained in other regulars, including raw carrots and celery, and there's so many more, along with apples, boysenberry, and orange juices. And snacks included raisins, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and wheat germ flakes. The result was improved dental health, fewer cavities, better emotional health, better citizenship, and better grades. Now, how is food used? Food used by the body through both physical and chemical changes. These changes take place as the body lives and grows. This process of changes is called metabolism, which means to change from one state to another. A physical change occurs when a substance is changed from one state to another without altering its basic chemical structure, like for example ice melting. And physical changes occur in the early stages of digestion, such as when solids are changed to liquids. And when a substance is changed through a chemical reaction, for example, wood changing to ashes, a chemical change has taken place. The burning of food as fuel is a chemical change. Each day, the body of an adult burns enough food to produce 2,000 calories of heat. And body metabolism requires fuel because it operates the body and all its processes. And God has provided the right type of food or every process of the body's metabolism. A food substance that acts as fuel in metabolism is referred to as a nutrient. Food contains carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. All of these are nutrients, that is, they nourish the body. So there are 5 food groups, which is milk, meat, vegetables and fruits, breads and cereals, fats and sweets. Each food group makes special contribution. Foods from all groups work together to supply energy and nutrients necessary for health and growth. And everyone needs the nutrients from all of these groups. So guys, we must not end our discussion of how foods are used without mentioning enzymes, very important helpers in the metabolic process. Enzymes are chemicals that regulate body processes. They direct and control, speed up or slow down, and the flow of energy and materials in order to meet the cell's needs. And they also help break down and use the foods we eat. All body processes must be carefully regulated in order to keep metabolism under control. Enzymes are the chemical policemen made by the body itself. There are actually protein molecules that help the body to function in a stable manner. Energy is not released in large bursts as in an explosion or fire. Instead, organisms use energy in small amounts. The complex reactions of metabolism must be carefully controlled to prevent a cell from breaking down or burning up. And this is all for today's lesson.